Hi guys, this is just going to be a quick overview of how to register your federal corporation extra-provincially. I'll assume you've already done your research on whether you need this and why. I'm making this video just to help you go through the process on your own. I'm not advertising anything or offering any legal advice. I am not a lawyer. I just want to make this video because I myself had a hard time finding this information. So hopefully this helps you out. So for this process, we'll need to file an initial return. In this video, I'm only showing you how to find that link, and then you can fill out the information for yourself. So we will need to go to the Government of Ontario website. Before going to this link, you will need to have created an account. So let's go to ontario.ca. Okay, I'll assume you guys already created your account. And then on the third rectangle, we'll click on Ontario Business Registry. Under On This Page, we'll click number 4, File Transactions in the OBR. And then under that, we'll click See a List of all OBR services. And then again, under On This Page, we'll click on New Corporations and Other Entities. And then under Corporation, there's different bullet points. We'll click on the fourth one, which is File an Initial Return for an Extra-Provincial Corporation. So on this page, because I haven't created an account, it's showing me this.